It has come to my attention that a lot of people don't know the difference between experiencing a mystery of magic and simply being confused.
Welcome to The Whole Thing by DARYL. This is the perfect effect to perform anytime in your show or as a standalone piece.
Now the first card is called a hole card. It's called a hole card because it has a hole. Whereas the second card's a hole card because it doesn't have a hole. It's a whole card.
Here's the whole thing. 2 whole cards and 2 whole cards will magically transform into a spot card.
If I make the illusion of the spot card, squeeze, snap my fingers, you see the spot card becomes a real card and it doesn't rub off.
Then, a card with a whole bunch of spots.
Now if I make the illusion of another spot card, then blow, and then tap it several times, that of course gives me a whole bunch of spots. Oh,
Then, a card with a spot that covers the whole card.
just the corner of the whole card to create the illusion of another spot card. Then very quickly I'll pass the whole card over. What used to be the spot card, of course, is a whole card now because the whole card's been moved away. This becomes a spot card as well. But here you'll notice the spot is so big, it covers the whole card. That's right, my friends, it covers the whole card.
And a spot card with a hole.
This is a whole card that is whole, a whole card that has a whole card with a spot, or if I tap it, it becomes a spot card with a hole.
It's a DARYL classic with a surprise finish that you won't see coming.
A spot card with a hole, here's a spot that covers the whole card. Here's a whole bunch of spots. And the reason this whole thing is so confusing is everyone was busy watching the spots, and no one was watching the hole. That's right, my friends, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it.
Whether you get the parlor or stage size, you'll receive 4 specially printed cards, online instructions where I go over all the details, and as a bonus, you'll also get DARYL's performance and explanation remastered in HD.
You've heard of an ace in the hole, a whole card? Well, I have whole cards as well, but these are whole cards of 2 completely different types.
This is The Whole Thing.